Hey guys, I'm Sam or Crywink and I'm the creator of SimpleAdmin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install SimpleAdmin into your own game. So first of all, we're going to make sure we're in a published place, and after that we're going to go to game settings at the top. Once we've gone there, we're going to go to the security tab and then hit enable studio access to API services. And this is going to let us test in studio. So let's hit save. After we've done that, we're going to go to our toolbox on the left and search up SimpleAdmin. Once we searched up SimpleAdmin, we'll see on the very top that we have the SimpleAdmin model. We'll click on that and it'll put it right into our game. These other things here are actually packages that we can install into SimpleAdmin, and I'll make another video on how you can install packages later. Once we've done that, we can go into our SimpleAdmin model and click on our settings configuration. So we have a bunch of different things we can configure here. We have a prefix, delimiter, which I wouldn't mess with, our data store key, which if you change, it'll reset your information, such as your bans, your admins, and stuff like that. Your API key, which you should only worry about if you're using SimpleAdmin Pro. And here we have our permission tables. So these tables here are where you can add developers, owners, admins, moderators, through the script. So we're gonna add ourselves as a developer. And then we have our bans table here, and this is where we can ban people from the game by default. So if we wanted to ban Builderman, we'd put his name right there. Then we have these last four, and this is disable donator permissions. And this is for people that have purchased SimpleAdmin VIP and they have access to commands like capes and ghosts. And if we set this to true, this will remove their permissions from our game. We have our disable fun commands, and this is for disabling fun commands such as troll. And if we set that to true, they won't be able to use that in our game. Then we have the disable creator permissions, and I get asked a lot of questions about this, and this is just so that if you set this to true, I won't have any permissions in your game for debugging. The fourth one is our tools directory, and this is by default. All tools should be put in server storage for them to be registered by the admin. Otherwise the command won't see them. So you can change that to whatever you want. It's really personal preference. So we really have the command set up, or the admin set up, and it's pretty much usable right out of the box. So let's hit play. And we get a notification at the top saying that we are creators, and that if we type CMDs, we'll view a list of commands. So here you can view a list of all of the commands. And so now we can check out a couple commands. We have something like player data, me. And this shows you some information about the player. So you can view clipboard logs, rather, chat logs, admin logs, and some information. You can also extend this out, and you can also use the search feature to find specific information, such as ping. Other than that, we have our tools command, which lets you view the tools in server storage. And if you click on that, it'll give you that tool. So like this picture. Other than that, SimpleAdmin has a lot of commands and more to come. SimpleAdmin also has a plethora of packages that you can install. And I'll make a separate video on how you can install that. That's it for now. Hopefully this helped. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks. Have a good one.